cozy and perfect homestay. The homestay was clean and tidy, and all the amenities stated were provided. And they even have a kitchen for you. The host, Jason, was so friendly and helpful. I planned to have a steamboat session at the homestay but found out that there's a problem with the induction cooker, so Jason immediately bought a new one and brought over to the homestay. Excellent service they have. Highly recommended. Exceptional. The only downside I noticed, the floor kitchen is concrete, which made it dusty when stepped on. Aside from that, everything else is good. Host was responsive and accommodating, value for money, strategic location, city within short driving distance, and beds, bathrooms are clean. Exceptional clean environment and comfortable stay. Comfortable place. We were satisfied with the place and the location of the place. The place was comfortable to stay with. Clean, nicely designed. Host gracious in accommodating special requests.